If your WhatsApp account is banned, you'll see the following message when you open WhatsApp. This account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. Or your phone number is banned from using WhatsApp. Contact support for help. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to unban your banned WhatsApp phone number or account. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Before showing you how to unban a banned WhatsApp phone number, let's first know the reasons behind banning your WhatsApp account or phone number. Knowing the reasons behind banned helps you to prevent it from being banned in the future. WhatsApp takes violations of its terms of service seriously, and if your behavior goes against its policies, your phone number may be banned. There are a few reasons why WhatsApp may ban your phone number. The first reason is that you are sending spam and automated messages. WhatsApp discourages the use of spam and automated messages. If you are found to be sending unsolicited messages or using bots to send bulk messages, your number can be banned. WhatsApp wants to prevent users from being bombarded with unwanted messages. This includes sending excessive mass messages, advertisements, or irrelevant content, sending the same message to multiple contacts, and forwarding bulk messages to numerous contacts. The second reason is that you are doing malicious behavior on WhatsApp. If you engage in abuse or harassment on WhatsApp, such as sending threatening messages, hate speech, or explicit content, your number may be banned. WhatsApp aims to create a safe and positive environment for its users. This also includes impersonating individuals or creating fake profiles, spreading misinformation or harmful content, and promoting violence or hate speech. Another reason is that you are using unofficial or modified versions of WhatsApp. Using modified or unofficial versions of the WhatsApp application can lead to a ban. This includes using the app for scraping data or other unauthorized purposes, violating copyright or intellectual property rights, and sharing illegal or harmful content. How to unban WhatsApp phone number? If your WhatsApp number has been banned, here are the steps you can take to try and unban it. First, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. After that, try to log in by entering your phone number. It will show you an error message that looks like your phone number is banned from using WhatsApp. If you believe that this error is showing by mistake, tap on the support button from the pop-up screen. Now, a contact support page opened. In the text box type, "Help. My account is banned." And after typing the message, tap on the Next button. Now, follow the on-screen instructions. It may open on your email, just tap the send icon. After sending a message, WhatsApp reviews your banned account and responds to you. If everything is okay on your account, your number is unbanned by WhatsApp. You need to wait until they review your account. Sometimes they review instantly and sometimes they take some days to review. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below.